Today we're going over the 9H tempered glass screen protector by PCTC. These things are great, and you're going to definitely want to put one on your Canon T7i or any other Canon camera you have, because this will protect it. What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time here, and I'm back with another video. Today we're doing a screen protector review and tutorial for the Canon T7i. The company that makes this is PCTC, and this is their 9H tempered glass screen protector. This is a 3-pack, so you get 3 wet and dry wipes for prepping the area that you're about to apply the screen protector on. You also get 3 dust absorbers, and then you get your 3 individually packaged glass screen protectors. Then you're going to get an instruction manual also coming up, and that is going to give you instructions. They're not the best instructions, but you do get on the opposite side right here, you get the 4 instructions. Tells you to clean the surface, use a dust absorber, and then pull off the protective layer on the glass screen protector. On this side you get the pictures. It shows you, and it's fairly simple. If you've applied a screen protector before, then you know how to do it. Just takes a little bit of patience. Make sure that there's no dust on the screen, because that can be your biggest downfall. So right now I'm about to open up the wet and dry wipes. Obviously you start out with the wet wipe. It's labeled number 1, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Open that up, and these aren't the easiest to open, but 2 pulls you should be able to get it out. Get a nicely moistened little 2x2 square wet wipe. You see the fingerprints on there right there. You take that and easily wipe off all the fingerprints, dust, any kind of crap or greases that's on that screen. Then you grab your dry one, tear that open just like you did with the other one. This one's labeled number 2, so it's pretty easy to follow along the numbers as long as you know how to count to 2, which I hope everybody does. Now you take the dry one and you go over it, and you kind of just buff off the moisture that you just applied with the wet one that helped clean it. Now this should bring it to a clean, perfect surface to work on. Now you want to do this, as soon as you get your camera, in most cases, so you don't get scratches or any damage to it. But anytime is better than never. Right here is your glass protector. It gives you 3, so if you do screw up, you can use the other 2, but you should be able to get it on the first shot. This is the back side, and it has a little sticker. You're going to take the back and pull that off. I just showed you that it fits over there nicely, so you know where to line it up. Go over it again, wipe it all down, peel that protective layer off, and now you want to try to get that on as quick as possible before you get any dust. So I try to use the raised lip on the plastic right there, and it should stick right on. And then it's got this self-adhesive, they call it, but you push it down and you try to get all the bubbles out is what I do. I was having a little bit of an issue. I can see there's a little bit of a bubble up in the top right hand corner, so I was taking the wet one, going over that, getting all my fingerprints off, and then trying to get that bubble out. Hold it down sometimes, that will get the bubble out. Sometimes it takes a little time for the bubble to work itself out. With my case right there, the bubble was there because I was up over the plastic lip, so I was able to pull that down and get rid of that. Now wipe off all the moisture that I just put on there with the dry cloth again. And there you go. Looks pretty good. There's still a small little bubble up in the top right hand corner. That's more of a problem for me because I put it on up over that lip originally, but that will adhere itself and go away. You can see, no issues with different screen angles. Still looks really good. You got reflection from the light that I have behind me, but other than that, in person, this thing is perfect, and it protects your screen. You do not want to break these LCD screens on these cameras. They are very expensive. The camera themselves are very expensive, so you want to take care of them the best that you can. Why, take the risk when you can take that small measure and fix it and put that on there to protect it from the beginning. These things are $7.99 for a 3-pack on Amazon. You can grab them, if you got Prime, 2 days, you can pick them up. So if you're going out for a photo shoot, you don't have one, you definitely want to throw one on. Guys, that was the review on the PCTC glass screen protector for the Canon T7i. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in the description. Like I said, $7.99 on Amazon. You cannot go wrong. Free 2-day shipping if you have Amazon Prime. If you don't have it, pick up a 30-day free trial because Amazon Prime is the bomb. But anyways, guys, want to protect your Canon T7i or any other LCD screen you have on your camera because you do not want these to break. They cost big money. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.